Connective tissue massage, also known as connective tissue therapy or myofascial massage, is a type of massage therapy that focuses on the fascia, which is the connective tissue that surrounds and supports muscles, bones, and organs in your body. This massage technique aims to release tension, improve mobility, and promote relaxation by targeting the fascial layers. Key characteristics of connective tissue massage include: focus on fascia. The primary focus of connective tissue massage is the fascia, which is a complex network of collagen fibers that envelop and interconnect various structures within your body. The fascia can become tight, restricted, or adhesed due to factors like poor posture, injury, or stress, which can lead to discomfort and reduced range of motion. Slow and deep pressure. In connective tissue massage, I'll use slow, deliberate strokes with deep pressure. The goal is to stretch and manipulate the fascia to release adhesions and restore its natural elasticity. Localized techniques. This type of massage often involves working on specific areas of tension or restriction. I might use my fingers, knuckles, or elbows to apply pressure along the fascial lines. Communication with client. Since connective tissue massage can involve intense pressure and potentially trigger discomfort, maintaining open communication with you is important. This ensures that the pressure is within your comfort level and that any areas of sensitivity are addressed appropriately. Mindful approach. Both you and I need to be attuned to the sensations and changes happening during the massage. Mindfulness and awareness of your body's responses are important aspects of this massage technique. Benefits. Connective tissue massage is often sought for its potential to relieve chronic pain, improve posture, increase flexibility, and promote relaxation. It may be used to address conditions such as tension headaches, repetitive strain injuries, and musculoskeletal discomfort. I have the ability to incorporate connective tissue massage into more comprehensive massage sessions or blend it with other techniques like Swedish massage, deep tissue massage, or myofascial release. It's important to consider that while connective tissue massage can be effective for specific conditions, it may not be suitable for everyone, especially if certain medical conditions or sensitivities are present. As with any massage therapy, it's recommended to have an open discussion about your medical history, preferences, and goals. If you're intrigued by the idea of experiencing connective tissue massage, it's advisable to consult your physician first to ensure its safety for you. Remember to show your support by liking and subscribing. For further details, simply click the link provided around or below this video. Thank you, and have an amazing day ahead.